Welcome to the Superwoman Super Chef Cookery Show, the Zoom Cookery Show, I will say, by UDS Hotels and Purple Club. We have today a very young, talented, beautiful lady from Chennai, Mrs. Varshini. Welcome to the show, Ms. Varshini.
Thank you.
Tell me something about you, Ms. Varshini. What do you do and why this cooking is a passion to you?
So, hi, I'm Varshini and I'm from Chennai and I work for MNC here. But when it comes to cooking, being a superwoman and also working at office, doing all household at home, it is a bit what to say, like no toughest task I can say. But then no, we somehow manage, and since I have passion in cooking, I make it very easier for me to manage things well. So this is my kind of interest. It pleases me more, and that's why I'm being here. And also, thanks for this opportunity. I'm so excited to be a part of this show. Thank you.
My pleasure, my pleasure. Varshini, tell me about what are you going to do? What are you going to cook today?
Today I'm going to cook coconut laddu. It's an instant and an easy recipe too.
Okay.
And as I told you, like I am working in MNC, I usually prepare this particular recipe on festival and another occasion because it just takes nearly like 5 to 10 minutes to prepare, and I keep it as prasadam to God, and it's very easy, and like someone who is very new to cooking can just take up this particular recipe and finish it off and present it in a better way.
And this is just sugar and the coconut, right? The grated coconuts and sugar, that's all?
I haven't used sugar here. Maybe you can use sugar, but in my recipe, I haven't added any sugar. I have used this desiccated coconut and milkmaid, that's it. To give a garnishing and a beautiful look, I have added some crushed almonds, saffrons, and to give a good flavor, I have also added up some cardamom powder.
Fine. So I think it is very simple to make it such a wonderful recipe, right?
Yes.
Okay. Have you ever thought that you want to become a entrepreneur, having your own restaurants, something like that?
Yes, I wish to become an entrepreneur, but then no, maybe not now. In case if I get some time in the future, I would definitely go for that.
Fine, fine. And have you ever thought of writing some recipes? So maybe you would like to come out with a recipe books or something like that?
To be honest, till today I haven't thought that. But then through this show, I got to know like I'm also talented in cooking, and maybe with this particular platform, I got exposed to show my talent here. Maybe in the future or on upcoming days, I can just give a try on that because this show has given me the confidence to do that. Thanks for that.
Absolutely. I don't think so that you look like the first time, coming to the show, but you're very confident.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. And I think it is, let's see that how Varshini ji is going to make the laddu. And that's going to be amazing coconut laddu. Let's watch.
Here. Today I am going to show you how to make coconut laddu. Before taking you through that, I would like to tell you some facts about coconut laddu. It's an instant and quick recipe. It does not take not longer than 5 to 10 minutes. Come, let's see what are the ingredients you require to make the coconut laddu. I have taken 200 grams of desiccated coconut in this bowl. To that, I require condensed milk of 100 milliliters. So it's like 2:1 proportion. For 200 grams of desiccated coconut powder, I have taken 100 grams of condensed milk. And a teaspoon of roasted and coarsely ground almonds. Pinch of cardamom powder. A tablespoon of ghee, and pinch of saffrons. Let's look like how to make it. Take a bowl and add this desiccated coconut powder to it. To this desiccated coconut powder, pour the condensed milk. Add teaspoon of cardamom powder. And mix well. You need to mix it well until and unless it comes to a texture of making into balls. So just mix it for a minute or two. Now this mixture is ready to make balls. Before making it into balls, take some ghee and apply it on your hand so that this mixture does not get stick to your hand. Also, it will help you to roll the laddu in a proper round shape. And I have rolled it in a proper shape. Now I am going to keep this aside. You can make it of any sizes, small, medium or a big one, depends on your preference. Now I have made 3 laddus. Now what I am going to do is, I have kept aside 10 to 15 grams of this desiccated coconut powder. I need to roll this up to give a better look and also to relish the taste. To this 10 to 15 grams of desiccated coconut powder, I am going to add this almonds, crushed almonds. This is an optional one. For a better taste, I am just adding it. And also I am going to add few pinches of saffrons. Now I am going to mix this well. This is how it looks. Now what we need to do is take this laddu balls, roll it, keep this on a plate. You can do it one by one, or you can do it all together. It depends upon your convenience.
Welcome back to the show, Superwoman Super Chef by UDS Hotels and the Purple Club. So you have seen how beautifully Varshini ji have come out with a super, I will definitely say, a very tasty, delicious, let's say modak, like a prasadam which has been given to the god, which she said. And I'm sure when you prepare such beautiful laddus to the god, I'm sure God will come and pick up at least one, So that's the beautiful way of doing such a very simple recipe, but elegant recipe. I will definitely say very elegant recipe. Thank you very much, Varshini ji, for coming to the show and took a lot of pain to come out with this simple recipe making, which definitely with confidence will give confidence to a lot of younger women, maybe your friends also. When you share the recipes, when you share the videos to your friends, I'm sure definitely one of them will say that, let me also come to the show. So that's what is our, strategy is all about, to see that more talented women or maybe more experienced women should come back and let us know that, okay, they want to be part of this show. And that, that gives a lot of happiness to us to see that women's, come to our show and show their talent. So thank you, Varshini ji, for coming to the show. And before I conclude, I would like to, hear from you that what you feel about the show, etc. And I'm going to give you a surprise because you have given us a beautiful laddu. I'm going to give you back a fantastic surprise to you also, dedicating this recipe for Varshini ji exclusively. So I will show you once your show is over. I'm going to give you a very beautiful recipe too. Varshini ji, about what is your feeling about the show?
First of all, thanks for this particular opportunity. It was very nice of you to have me here. And this particular show help us the women to establish the talent whatever they have. Usually women are held up in kitchen and they cook very tasty foods, but then it's not exposed to a worldwide or broadcasted through a show like this. But this particular shows give us an opportunity to do that. It also encourages and motivates the women like me to participate, come participate, then get very good feedback from you. And this platform is like going to be a very big hit for women and their empowerment. And what I can just conclude is thanks and thank you so much.
Varshini ji, do you know what is the special of the day where we are recording this show? Today we are recording the show. Your recipes have been recorded. Do you know what is the specialty of the day?
Maybe now we are in Navaratri days. I can just call it one of the special day.
So you are very special to us on this show today because today is the World Chef Day.
Okay.
So you are very lucky to come to this particular day when we are recording this Zoom cooking today. You are on to the World Chef Day. So a big salute from me to you for becoming the most important participant where you have come into this day. Thank you very much, Varshini ji.
I'm so glad to be a part of the show on this particular day, and I wish you too a happy World Chef Day.
Thank you very much. See you very soon.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, all the viewers, for watching us, and keep coming to our show. And like Varshini ji from Chennai, who is young, very dynamic, talented woman, coming and doing a very simple show. As I already said, that I don't think so that she is the first time presenter. I felt that she is very experienced, and same way you can also come back with your recipes to us, and we are there to you. Thank you very much, and bye bye. Welcome to the Superwoman Super Chef Cookery Show by UDS Hotels and the Purple Club. I'm sure you would have gone nuts by seeing the beautiful coconut laddu made by Vashni ji. It was amazing, very simple but very classy recipe. I would definitely love to have 2 or 3. So thank you Vashni ji for a wonderful the dish what you have shown to us, and this I'm going to dedicate to you completely. What I'm showing you is not very unique, but I'm showing you the way the street chow meins are made. So I'm making a vegetable chow mein for you, and this has been just a typical, I will say that in Delhi side, a dhaba kind of, the chow mein how it is made. Let's see. I have a little bit of oil here with me. I've taken a little bit of oil. And then I add a little bit of garlic to it. Bit of ginger and bit of onion. I love onions a lot. Even in sandwiches I add my onions. I have beautiful green capsicum here. I have lovely, beautiful shredded carrot. So we'll have the cabbage added to it. Beautiful finely chopped cabbage. Saute it nicely, and now I'm adding a little bit of sauce. Here I have the soya sauce. I'm adding a bit of tomato sauce. Depends on how much you want. I'm adding a little bit of chili sauce. And now I have this boiled noodles. So I'm adding this boiled noodles. Make sure that it does not stick with each other, because it's very, very important. It should not stuck. It should not stick actually. So now I'm adding a little bit of salt, as much as salt you want. A little bit of sugar, and of course bit of vinegar and bit of pepper, and lot of I have this spring onions for it. Spring onion makes that fish come perfectly beautiful. So you take the noodle, you take the fork, and you can maybe, allow to do like this. So you can maybe at home you can do like this. You don't have big pans. Very easy to make like this. You just have to fork and so perfect, absolutely perfect. So that's a fine, I will say that a street chow mein for you, which will definitely a good meal. You don't need actually anything to have with it. You have tomato sauce, that's enough for you. But then this has to be properly cooked. Apply always, once you have a boiled, the noodle, always add a little bit of oil so that the noodles does not get stiff. So you can see here that my noodles are totally like this. That's very important. So my noodle is ready, and thank you very much, because it is exclusively for Vashni. Yeah. Very special, I will say, a vegetable Hakka noodles on a street way. Maybe in a hotel we do it in a different way, but this is a typical the way when they do it in the street. So our show are definitely meant for the woman, and we always motivate the women to come and attend our show. So in case you want to keep in touch with me, 9620665566, or you can write back to me at you can write back to me on c@udshotels.com. We love to promote you. We are very happy to work with you, and we always salute the women. Thank you very much, and thank you for watching the Superwoman Super Cookery Show by UDS Hotels and Purple Club. Bye.